Hello friends, day 111, and it rained a bit to start this morning but cleared up pretty quickly, and I met lots of interesting people again today as usual, and the Cumbria Way is just so good. I'm really enjoying it. Derwent Water was so peaceful and tranquil. It was gorgeous along there. And then I came up Stake Pass, which was a good climb, but some brilliant views. A lovely view at the top of Stake Pass. And tonight I have succumbed to a campsite because there's one just around the corner from a pub, and I'm getting low on food, so I thought I would get some nice dinner at the pub. I met Lorraine and Mickey earlier on. They were about to climb a big hill, and I met lots of ladies about to go wild swimming. So it's been a fun day. I will see you on the trail.
We're going to, I think it's called Gallany Force, to have a little dip in some ponds, find a waterfall and have a bit of fun. And then get something to eat.
Yeah. All the rest of the world on your journey.
Yeah.
Hope it goes well.
Absolutely amazing course.
We'll be going on a Just Giving later on.
Yeah.